In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Google Calendar productivity. By the end, you'll have a clean, color-coded calendar that keeps you on track, reminds you at the right moment, and syncs seamlessly across your devices so nothing slips through the cracks. Start by opening Google Calendar. On the left sidebar, find the section labeled Other Calendars and click the plus icon next to it. Choose Create New Calendar, then make separate calendars for the key areas of your life like work, content creation, clients, personal growth, personal, and health. Give each one a distinct color so you can glance at your week and instantly understand what's happening. Pick colors with good contrast and try not to create too many categories at once. 6 to 8 well-chosen calendars will keep things organized without visual clutter. Next, fine-tune your default event settings. Click the gear icon, open settings, and go to event settings. Set a default event duration that matches how you actually work, such as 30 or 60 minutes. Add default reminders, like one 10 minutes before and another an hour before, and choose whether you want email alerts or on-screen notifications. These defaults prevent missed tasks and save you from having to set reminders every single time. Now time block your day. Instead of writing a long to-do list, schedule focused blocks. For example, 8 to 9 a.m. for admin tasks, 9 to 11 a.m. for deep work, 1 to 2 p.m. for client calls, and 4 to 5 p.m. for content creation. Treat these blocks like appointments with yourself. If something overruns, drag and resize the block and leave small buffers between sessions to reset and prepare. Make your routine effortless with recurring events. Open any event and set it to repeat on the cadence you need. Great candidates include weekly planning on Sunday evening, a monthly budget review, regular client check-ins, and your gym schedule. Recurring events reduce decision fatigue and keep your week consistent. Protect your attention by using focus time, which automatically limits meetings during those blocks. Mark out of office when you're unavailable, so invitations are declined for you. And connect tasks so quick to-dos appear on your calendar and can be checked off as you go. Scheduling focus early in the day often yields the best results. Finally, sync across your devices. Install the Google Calendar app on your phone, turn on notifications, connect it with Gmail, and integrate with Zoom or Google Meet. That way, invites and video links appear automatically in the right place, and reminders reach you wherever you are. Inside each event, use the description field to add an agenda, notes, key links like Zoom or Google Docs, and a simple checklist. Keeping details in the event means everything you need is right there when it's time to work.